Welcome to our new lesson, verbs. What is a verb? A verb is an action word. A word that shows an action is called as verb. Let us see some examples. Eat, an action. Sing, an action. Read, an action. Laugh, an action. Fly, an action. Fight, an action. Drink, an action. Dance, an action. Jump, an action. Run, an action. Swim, an action. Write, an action. Paint, an action. Clap, an action. Sing, an action. Cook, an action. Climb, an action. Cry, an action. Crawl, an action. Talk, an action. Work, an action. Types of verb. There are 3 types of verb: main verb, linking verb and helping verb. Let us see what is main verb, linking verb and helping verb. Main verb. Sanya eats an apple. So the main verb here is eats. She dances very well. The main verb is dances. The boy laughs loudly. The main verb is laughs. The bird flies in the sky. The main verb is flies. She rides with her sister. The main verb rides. Linking verbs. They link the noun or a pronoun in a sentence with their description. Linking verb, they link the noun or a pronoun with their descriptions. Let us see some examples. He looks stunning. The verb looks is linking between the pronoun he and the stunning, that is description. So looks becomes linking verb. The flower shop smelt beautiful. The verb smelt is linking the noun, the flower shop, and the description beautiful. So smelt becomes linking verb. He felt surprised. The verb felt is linking the pronoun he and surprised, that is description. So felt is a linking verb. The new books smell great. The verb smell is linking the noun, that is the new book, and the description great. Helping verbs. Helping verbs help the main verb in doing their job. Helping verb is helping the main verb. Let us see the example. She is eating an apple. Here helping verb is and the main verb is eating. So is helping the main verb, that is eating. She is eating an apple. So is becomes helping verb and eating is the main verb. The girls are standing quietly. The verb are is helping the main verb, that is standing. So are becomes helping verb and standing becomes main verb. They were cooking food. The verb were is helping the main verb, that is cooking. So were becomes helping verb and cooking becomes main verb. We should brush our teeth. Should is helping the main verb, that is brush. So should becomes helping verb. I will go for a morning walk. Will is helping the main verb go. So will becomes helping verb. Let us revise. Verb means action word. There are 3 types of verb: main verb, linking verb and helping verb. Main verb is the main action word in the sentence. Linking verb links a noun or a pronoun with the description, and helping verb helps the main verb. That's it for today, students. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can subscribe my channel to know more English grammar from